super excited because after months of waiting, the first book, Brandon Sanderson's Secret Projects, Tress of the Emerald Sea, has finally arrived. So let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed and check out this beauty. And they really did a very good job of taping it down with this gold there. I'm trying not to show you the back of the box. I don't want you guys knowing where I live. But go ahead and open it. Get rid of my scissors there. That's kind of what we have on top, which is a story doesn't live until it is imagined in someone's mind. Quote by Wit. Then we have an awesome pen here from the Cosmere character pins, and it looks like it's Vin. And not sure. This just is a spoiler warning of what's in the box, which includes Tress of the Emerald Sea, a bookmark, a sticker, a pen, and a epic bookmark, a bonus backer gift. So let's go ahead, get the stuff lifted. Ooh, so this is the sticker. Oh, this is very jumbo bookmarker. So we have, I believe this is Wit on the front, and on the back we have World Hopper, which just has some different constellations on it from the Cosmere. And then this bookmark is absolutely gorgeous. It's dual-sided and very good quality. And now the best part, which is the book itself, Tress of the Emerald Sea, which is nice and hefty and packed. And I'm gonna have to get my scissors again because I am struggling to open it. There we go. Y'all can watch me awkwardly try to fight this plastic. Ooh, and I love like the texture on the front here, and then the back, and it says, in the middle of the ocean there was a girl who lived upon a rock. This was not an ocean like the one you have imagined, nor was the rock like the one you have imagined. The girl, however, might be as you imagined, assuming you imagined her as thoughtful, soft-spoken, and overly fond of collecting cups. So I can't wait. Ooh, inside is absolutely stunning, and the back's the same with different cups. And then I think like there's different pictures like throughout. Oh yeah, there are lots of like different like illustrations within. So I am super excited that I finally have Tress of the Emerald Sea, and I can't wait to start reading this. So I guess that's it for this little quick impromptu video. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time.